Zambian forward Andrew Phiri is understood to have made a strong impression during his assessment with Orlando Pirates, the Sea Crew has reported. As reported by the Sea Crew, the 23-year-old striker has been identified as a potential signing for the Buccaneers, with the club already laying out plans for the up-and-coming season, the source further elaborated. Top-flight striker Andrew Phiri, who currently plies his trade with Maestro United Musa FC in Zambia's top-tier league, spent last week training with Pirates where he showcased his attacking prowess. Sources close to the situation confirmed that the club has been closely monitoring his performances, assessing whether he fits into their long-term vision. The talented player has been one of the most promising strikers and a standout talent in the Zambian top flight. His performances at the club level has not gone unnoticed, earning him a call-up to Zambia's COSAFA Cup squad, aiding him to having also represented his country at various youth levels. Musa FC is understood to be open to a deal, giving the positive feedback emerging from the Soweto Giants regarding Phiri's trial. However, a final decision is expected to be made at the end of the current season, as Pirates is carefully evaluating their squad's options. He is a good player with the potential. He has done well, but there is no rush in making a decision. It's likely to be made at the end of the season, the source stated. The player's bosses at his club in Zambia are hopefully of a deal, but they are giving Pirates enough time to decide, said the source. According to sources, Pirates' decision on Phiri could also depend on the future of Angolan international attacker Gilberto, who's spending the remainder of the season on loan at Petro de Luanda. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.